Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to add a gift card product in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to the product section, click on gift cards, then click on add gift card product. You can give it a title. Mostly it will be store name and gift card, just like here, the checkout guide gift card. You can give it a description according to your needs here. Now you can add the image here. Just like I added this gift card image here. You can add the denominations according to your requirements of the store. I am adding one more. I am adding one more. I am adding one more denomination here. On the right side, you can select the type and vendor. I am selecting here our store name, the checkout guy. You can select the collections as well. You can enter the tag as well, then save your changes. Now you can add your gift card to a collection so that customers can find it in your store. Now we will test this on our online store. So here you can see gift card is there in your all the products. You can see denominations are also there. You can select any denomination, and the description is also there. You can also select if you want to send this as a gift and add the requirements here and proceed to the checkout. So that's it. You have successfully get to know how to add a gift card product in your Shopify account. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share and comment button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.